Hello guys, this is Urbanized Media. So today I want to show you guys why Nnewi is called the Japan of Africa, a commercial and automobile hub. Igbos are really industrious. Igbos na bambo. Wherever you see Igbos, they are really industrious. So this video shows container loads of goods owned by just one person landing from Lagos Wharf to Nnewi. So watch this video and see for yourself why Nnewi is called a commercial hub, an automobile hub. These containers are more than 20 in numbers, lined up. 3 have passed already, and there are still much more remaining at the back. They are lined up, coming one after the other. Igbos are indeed industrious. These containers are just owned by one person. Only one person goods are landing. This is amazing. This is amazing. I'm telling you. Just sit back and watch for yourself and see for yourself. So while we are at it, while we are watching these containers passing one after the other, admiring one person's wealth, the wealth one person has built for himself from scratch with zero government support, I think it's important we have some discussions around it. Since one person could build this wealth from nothing, do you think that if government should give support, that these traders, these businessmen, they can become big industrialists here in Southeast? They can start manufacturing these goods here in Southeast, here in Nnewi, here in Anambra State, instead of importing them from China or any other country they import these goods from. I think that what these traders need is some supports, some necessary supports they need to thrive in manufacturing. First of all is power. There are no gas plants. There are no power plants in Southeast. It's an issue because you can't run an industry without constant power. Again, it's policies, favorable policies that will support these manufacturers instead of crippling their businesses. So these businessmen, many of them are willing to go into manufacturing, but what they need is support from the government. They need government support. They cannot thrive without the support of the government. If the government is out to cripple their businesses, their industries, there is no way they can delve into manufacturing, seeing the plight of their colleagues that have ventured into it in the past. So these guys, they need support. What do you think about it? I think that these traders need support to go into manufacturing, and believe me, they will do wonders, because wherever Igbos enter and they have the proper support, they will do wonders. They even do wonders without support. What will now happen if they have proper support? They will do wonders, and it will help the economy of Nigeria. It will help the economy of Southeast to thrive, creating more jobs in our Igbo. What do you think about it?
Happy Sunday. Hey, Igbo. Hey. Vai, manego.
Yeah, it's there, let's grab it.
Sorry, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Otto, Otto. Other party, almost to be going that day. Other than that, now, the other.